one side of the property might be a workable solution.
Peter,
That's amazing.
Peter,
Can't wait to see
Peter,
it.
Okay, so
Peter,
let's
Peter.
finish up with the price.
I think 290,000.
Peter,
£200,000 says your demand. George?
I might go that higher. I think, yes, 300,000.
£300,000, not much between you. It's on the market for £285,000.
Wow. That's amazing.
Happy?
Yeah, definitely.
I think. Can you sort that out, baby? I'll find you a good time.
Thank you.
Off you go.